Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Merida and today's video is going to be another look into the new makeup releases. So we're gonna have a look into makeup releases that have come out, see if it's worthy of going on the wish list. Is it something that I would pick up, and just have a little bit of conversation. So there has been a lot of makeup releases, so I'm gonna do my best to go through the ones that actually piqued my interest, go through them quickly, and we make nice solid quick fire decisions. Some of the products that I picked up from the last two videos that I did, I do have some videos up and I do have some more coming, so make sure you check them out. And without further ado, let's jump in. Remember to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you know when next I release a video, and let's go. I've just basically scooped to the side so that I can pop the product shot in here. So the first that we're going to talk about is this release from e.l.f. Now this release, I don't see it on the UK website, and I believe it's already out on the US e.l.f. website. And this is the Lunar New Year release. In this release, you've got a prime and set kit which retails for $18. That consists of a poreless putty primer, a glow setting powder in medium, and a powder brush. And you've also got Sweetheart Hydrated Lipstick Kit which retails for $22 or $6 each. The colors are lovely, joyful, cherry, giddy. From the look of the packaging, I actually think it's quite fun. I'm more interested in the brushes than anything else. I haven't tried the e.l.f. putty primer before, so I don't really know what the hype is about or if it's worth it, but I know a lot of people have tried it and love it. I don't actually see it on the UK website, so I don't know if it's gonna come out in the UK, but if it did, the only product I'd be interested in picking up is actually the brush and maybe the putty primer to see if it's the same as the original and just see if I like it. Everything else is kind of like, packaging's cute, but I don't need it in my collection. But I love the packaging and I love the colors, so go e.l.f., you're on a roll with these releases. Alright, so next up is BH Cosmetics. So BH Cosmetics has come out with the February Birthstone color, so they're going to be releasing a palette per month to celebrate the birthstone. So the one that they've done now is Amethyst and it's for February, and this is what it looks like. I do actually like the color story of this. I think it is a beautiful color story. I think the purples really shine through. I can see that they used Shalom on their website, which is amazing. I absolutely love her, and I love the way the purple kind of like pops on her skin tone, so it gives me hope that this would actually look really nice on my skin. The purple is about the only shade in this palette that kind of piques my interest. I'm not really interested in the blue. I'm not really interested in the light wash of beige color, though it's necessary for blending. All the other shades look pretty interesting and look like they'd work really well on my skin tone. Really love the pressed, is it glitter or pigment? I'm not sure, but whatever it is, it looks super pretty. This is something I'd be interested in. I'd keep an eye on it and see if it comes to Beauty Bay. If it doesn't come to Beauty Bay, I'll probably have to wait till I've got like loads of eyeshadow palettes or products that I want to pick up from BH Cosmetics and pick it up, because there's customs and everything for the UK. But I do like this one. This is much better than the January one in my opinion. It looks really, really pretty and it looks cohesive, and I can see myself creating a few looks with this palette. So yeah, I'm here for it. Alright, so I saw this palette on Makeup World News, and this is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. Now this retails for $34 on the Violet Voss website. You've got 12 shades, you've got a mixture of olives, different hues, and it says it's a pro formula. I only have one palette from Violet Voss, and that is the Holy Grail palette, and I absolutely love the pigmentation of that palette. I haven't since then picked up anything from Violet Voss, but this palette kind of piques my interest. It's supposed to have like an olive color story, but I see more neutrals and hints of green here and there, which is fine. But I don't know, there's just something about the palette just makes me really interested in it. And I know Beauty Bay used to stock a lot of Violet Voss shadows. I haven't seen that many from them at the moment, so I don't know if this palette is going to come to Beauty Bay. If it does, I definitely will pick it up, just because it's such, to me, it's such a beautiful color story. I can see it going from day to really nice, sultry evening look. So yeah, I'm here for it. If it comes to Beauty Bay, I'll definitely pick it up. Alright, you guys. So Spectrum Cosmetics came out with new makeup brushes. These are inspired by Disney. So you've got Spectrum X Disney collection, you've got Little Mermaid, you've got Ariel brushes, you've got Ursula, and it looks so pretty. I really love the packaging. I really love the colors of the brushes, and it's something that looks really fun. I know Spectrum make really good makeup brushes, so I'm not worried about the quality. I actually do like the look of the Ariel set over the Ursula set, but both of them are absolutely gorgeous, and it's something I'll keep my eyes on. It's actually live already, so if you're interested in picking up new brushes, definitely check them out. But it's something I'm probably going to wait for a sale, but I do have my eye on at least the Ariel set. Yeah, so the Ariel set is a 12-piece brush set, and it also comes with a brush roll, and it retails for £79.99. And the Ursula one as well is a 12-piece brush, and also comes with a bag roll, and also retails for £79.99. So this is definitely a cute set, but I'm not willing to fork out that amount of money for some makeup brushes, in as much as I know Spectrum make really good makeup brushes. I think I'm going to keep my eye on it, and if they have a sale, I'll definitely pick up the Ariel brushes. As I always say, what is one of these videos without a Colourpop release? So Colourpop came out with the Wild Child collection. You've got this Wild Child eyeshadow palette, which, to be honest, is what really piqued my interest. Colourpop doesn't really come out with collections that suits deep skin tone. Like, a lot of their colors are wishy-washy, very light. So the few times that they come out with collections that I can use, I get very excited. So this is one of them, and just because it's got some really beautiful chocolate tones and some very warm, like, crease colors, it really piques my interest. You do have a couple of pressed powder blushes, some Super Shock shadows, 3 lippy sticks, eye and lip sets, and you can actually pick up the whole collection for $59. But to be honest, it's the eyeshadow palette that really piques my interest. Not really here for the blushes, and I'm not really here for the Super Shock shadows. So this is definitely on my wish list. I know this is either a hit or a miss with a lot of people, but I need to try it out. Like, it's just one of those collections that I really want to try out. So this is definitely on my radar. So Colourpop also came out with the Animal Crossing collection. I like the idea. I think it's a super cute collection. I think the colors are absolutely stunning. However, I have these shades like a million times over in my collection. I'm talking about the eyeshadow quads. I have these colors. The blushes don't really pique my interest. The lip products don't really pique my interest. So in as much as I love the whole color story, I love the theme, I love Animal Crossing, no, I think they could have come out with some unique tones of greens and purples. I don't like it. So this is definitely a pass for me. Alright, so Pat McGrath has come out with a new collection, and this is the Divine Rose 2 collection, I believe. Because, to be honest, guys, as I've said in my previous Pat McGrath video, I'm not really on track with all the Pat McGrath releases, but I believe this is the Divine Rose 2. This one has like some beautiful dual-chromed, multi-chromed. Pat McGrath is known for her shimmer formula. It's just what makes her collections always so beautiful. I love the packaging. I love the entire look and feel of this collection. This is definitely one of those collections that you've either got the money to splurge out and get the collection, or you don't. And I'm in the or you don't category. At the moment, I really want it, or at least the eyeshadow palette, if anything. But it's just one of those collections that I have to either save up for or be gifted it. Like, it's just so expensive, but I know the quality is there. So this is a maybe. This is a maybe. If I'm feeling generous and I really want to splurge, then I'll definitely pick this up because the collection is so pretty, and I know that the quality will be there. So yeah. Alright, so I'm always featuring Makeup by Yolanda in one of these videos, but I just never pick up from them just because the shipping is so painful. But anyway, Makeup by Yolanda has collaborated with Brits K Beauty, and they've come out with the Serenity palette, and oh my god, you guys, I love this girl. I watch her on Instagram. I follow her. I think she's a beautiful creator, and the color story that she's come out with this for this eyeshadow palette is just so intense. The colors are so deep, they're so rich. You do have a couple of pressed glitters in there, but majority of them are mattes and shimmer shades. And honestly, guys, I actually think that they're currently sold out or maybe out of stock. But honestly, I'm waiting for Makeup by Yolanda to do like a really fair sale, and I'm just gonna binge buy a lot of their eyeshadow palettes because the amount of good reviews I've heard about the quality of their shadows is making me want it more and more. But just the shipping is just giving me a heart attack. A heart attack. I'm just scared of customs and scared of so many things, so I haven't taken the plunge to purchase anything yet. I'm just waiting for a sale, because then at least if there's customs, I can take solace that I at least save some money on the sale. So we'll see. Watch this space. But congratulations, girl, you killed it with this eyeshadow story, and I can't wait to get my hands on it. Alright, so Urban Decay have come out with the, or are coming out with the Naked Urban Decay Wild West eyeshadow palette. And it's in the style of their Naked eyeshadow palettes. It's just you've got more of like brown and turquoise type of color in this palette. It's described as 12 desert inspired neutral eyeshadows from pale peach and metallic bronze to deep blue green and turquoise shimmer. It's got mattes, metallics and shimmer finishes, and it's inspired by California's deserts, Joshua trees and endless skies, and it'll retail for $49. Not sure how much it will retail in the UK. It's usually about 40 to 45 pounds. And I don't know what I think. I think that I have to see makeup tutorials with this eyeshadow palette to actually know if I love it. I think there are more wishy-washy shades than there are the dark shades, in my opinion. I think the dark shades are pretty, but that brown could have just been a little darker. And then the end shade that looks charcoaly could have been a little darker. I really need to see a couple of looks created with this palette. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it from Urban Decay, but if I do, I definitely will do a review of it. But yeah, I definitely need to see some looks, or at least some swatches on dark skin, just to see what it looks like. But this is a maybe. Alright, you guys, last but not the least, from Makeup Revolution, we've got these new Ultimate Nudes eyeshadow palettes. Now, I don't have the palettes in front of me. They've just recently come out on the Makeup Revolution website and other retailers. But honestly, guys, these palettes scream Huda Beauty dupe. Like, literally look like the Huda Beauty dupe. They come in 3 shades. You've got light, medium, and dark. And literally just screams Huda. Huda, 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 Huda. And I'm so here for it because I don't have any of the Huda palettes. So I hope it packs as much intensity as it needs to, because honestly, the reason why I never picked up any of those Huda Beauty palettes is because I felt like even the dark shade wasn't dark enough. Like, it needed to be chocolatey and yummy. So I'm hoping that the medium and the dark palette from Makeup Revolution will fill that gap that I am so longing for. But I am so here for it, and I'm so happy that the packaging looks exactly the same and you get 3 shades. So yeah, this is definitely something I'm either waiting to receive or I'm going to pick up, just because I'm so excited for, I love little 9-pan shadows like this. Like, they're just so cute, and I'm so here for the Makeup Revolution dupe. So yeah, this is definitely something that is on my radar. Alright you guys, so that is it. Let me know what you think about these products that I selected. There have been quite a lot of makeup releases, but I just had to go through and really just drill down into the ones that even piqued my interest a little bit, just to showcase it. If not, we'd be here forever. But yeah, let me know if any of these are on your wish list, or if there are any other products that are on your wish list that I need to put on mine. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Makeup tutorial for this look will be up, so I will link it either in the cards and description box. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you know the next time I release a video. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black lives will always matter. And I'll catch you guys in a future video.